The Black Student Union and Muslim Student Association organized a walkout to raise awareness for racial equality.
Black lives matter! Black lives matter! Black lives matter!
Mass incarceration and, bad health outcomes, wage gaps, and that has all led us to what is happening today.
To help support Black Lives Matter and really embrace the diversity and different cultures in my school.
Has disadvantaged indigenous people, black people, brown people, LGBTQ people for centuries.
People are different, they will be different, but there's an issue when it starts to become a habit of people to say, oh, we're the most diverse high school in the state of Missouri.
Production of sacred texts are the norm. There are over 1.5 million Muslims currently being tortured in these camps.
It impacts me because I am a black student at this school, and I think it's good that we're bringing awareness to injustices with students.
Not only be prideful of the fact that we're diverse and have so many different kinds of people, but it's also to bring awareness that diversity isn't enough. Just because you have all sorts of people from all sorts of communities in this school doesn't make us automatically unbigoted. We need to put effort towards being more inclusive and being understanding of those communities that we pride ourselves on.